A little bit about ABeam Consulting. We are headquartered in Tokyo. We were established in 1981. At the time, we were part of the Deloitte organization. We were representing Japan. And in 2003, we completely went independent of that group. With our SAP services, we are the outright leader in Japan and probably in one of the leader positions throughout Asia, Southeast Asia. We also do strategy, business transformation, all sorts of IT consulting, especially in the area of digital. We do digital marketing, and now more recently we are doing robotic process automation. We call it RPA. It's business processes that have been automated, bringing immediate results, returns on investment.
So if you're an SAP customer or prospect, we can do the SAP implementation for you. We can support you after that. You can buy licenses from us. You can get yourself certified in SAP education.
Currently, we have 180 consultants based in Malaysia working on SAP-related services. 90% of our consultants are of Malaysian origin. Our team has a wealth of SAP experience, ranging from fresh talents to 20+ years experience in SAP.
For SAP S/4HANA, it is the next generation ERP software by SAP. It is built on an in-memory platform that is fast, real-time, and enable companies to capitalize on the opportunities in the digital world. We are proud to be Pharmaniaga's partner in implementing SAP S/4HANA to their manufacturing plants. Our main project objectives are to increase the productivity by integrating data and standardizing processes. This will also provide visibility to the management for reporting purposes.
Pharmaniaga's inception, we started business in 1994. Our core business at the time was logistics and distribution. Now we are into manufacturing. We also have private arms and also have expanded all the way to Indonesia. Pharmaniaga decided, okay, we want to grow into the manufacturing sector. We were strong into our logistics, but we need to grow into our manufacturing, and hence we need to modernize the manufacturing unit. And the core of business now, you can have all the machineries, but the IT is the brain of the whole company.
ABeam is a reputable regional SAP partner with extensive implementation track record. It has over 90% rate of return customer after first time engaging with them. Although ABeam is a Japanese-based company, it is also a fully set up company in Malaysia. They are able to provide end-to-end support in terms of software licensing, support on functional and technical, as well as hardware.